Today I'm going to show you how to check out an ebook or an electronic book using our platform MackinVIA. I'm starting on the Clever platform. I'm already signed in. I'm going to scroll down to the library resources section, and I see right here there is a MackinVIA button. Click on it. It should automatically log you in. Okay, so I'm in the Smithfield High School account. It starts me off on the categories page so I can see all of the different categories. And you can scroll through and find one that you're interested in, or if you just kind of want to browse, you can go to all resources. So I'm just going to click on adventure. Scroll down, you'll see that most of the books are nonfiction or classic fiction. So, for example, you've got Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Adventures of Odysseus, that kind of thing for the classic fiction, Call of the Wild, and then some books that you might be able to use for research. So, I'm just going to go ahead and look at Gulliver's Travels into several remote nations of the world. So, I have a little bit of information right here about what the book is about. I can preview it by clicking Open Now. And you can adjust your screen so that you can see this better, but for purposes right now, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. But I'm going to use this arrow to go through the text so I can make it bigger if I can't read it on my screen, smaller. I can change it from 1 page to 2 pages.
6.
And then
Fate,
some of the books
I
offer
discovered
read
the
aloud.
methods they had taken to bind me, and at the same time with a violent pull, which gave me
So if you actually decide that that's a book you want to check out, you can click on the checkout button right here, and it'll check it out to you. So it will save your place in the book when you get out of it, because you're not going to have time to read it in one setting. So that's how you would check out a book in MackinVIA. Now, if you want an audiobook, you just want a book you can listen to, you can start off in the audiobooks tab. Okay. In general, it might be better just to start off in the categories tabs, just so you can see what we have. Like I said, it's nonfiction and mostly classic fiction.